doesn't stop.
Oh.
Dude, I'm leaving tomorrow, man.
I don't think he's gonna let you leave.
Oh, there's a knee in my jugular. His knees are. Okay, buddy.
No jumping on Mama's couch.
Oh, Uncle Trip's done.
Fire truck.
Fire truck?
Yes.
Now it's the police coming to save me.
Fire truck.
Wave hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi, Taylor.
Really cute.
Say, I beat up
I beat up
Uncle Trip.
a chip.
Oh shit.
Now, Uncle Trip. Uncle Trip. I got my ass beat.
Ow. I got my ass beat by a 3-year-old. Again. Oh shit.
Again, exactly.
Oh. Too much damage. Too much intel. Ow. Are you done?
No. Ow.
You brought that upon yourself.
Don't fall.
Oh damn.
Oh, look.
You're on the top rope.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Make sure you catch him
Yeah.
with whatever
Alright,
he
buddy.
does.
Let's see what you got. Bring it on. Bring it on. That was anticlimactic. Ah. Are you done?
No.
No? You're gonna fall and hurt yourself, buddy.
No.
Yeah. Oh shit. Alright, dude. No more, no more.
That's enough.
No more. No more. No more. Uncle. I said uncle. Uncle Trip said uncle.
Gotta give him hugs.
Big hug. My buddy.
Yes.
He's my little buddy.
I'm sleeping.
What?
I'm sleeping.